Alright, so let's talk about how to convert Ethereum to BNB on Trust Wallet. Alright, I made a video about converting Ethereum to BNB on Trust Wallet, and I made that video somewhere there, and I got a lot of dislike on that video because I attempted some real stuff on that video, and those stuff eventually did not work out, and a lot of person disliked the video, and a lot of person was saying that I talk too much in that videos, and a lot of people say a lot of trash on that video, and I wasn't happy about it. And the truth be told, the video was a total experiment, and I did all my experiment in the video. There was no cut or remove. It's like a lot of people don't like real stuff, alright? Like a lot of people don't like real stuff. They love fake things. They love people sending them fake things. I'm not fake, and I don't try to send fake things across to you guys. So everything I send across to you guys are real things, alright? Real things that are being done, alright? So the reason why most people, we've done a lot of recovery, coin recovery, and all of that. The reason why most people lose a lot of coins and lose a lot of money is because they patronize a lot of fake things. Somebody tells them they can convert Ethereum to BNB on Trust Wallet, and then they jump into it. All right. Now I've explained this over and over on some of my videos. If you've been watching most of my videos, and you see that this thing is practically not possible because of the differences in the blockchains that these coins operate on. All right. And then even when Trust Wallet provide an avenue, like an avenue where you can do something like that, it's still not practically possible on that platform. And that is what I tried experimenting on that video, and yet I still got a lot of dislike. A lot of people are like, you wasted my time, dude. Like, come on, someone, you don't pay somebody, you just subscribe. Somebody just taking out their time to make videos to just try to make things clear to you, and then you say you wasted all my time, dude. All right. So now in this video, I'm going to talk about converting Ethereum to BNB on Trust Wallet, and here it is. It is not practically possible except the Ethereum is on Ethereum peg. Except it's an Ethereum peg, then you can convert it to BNB on Trust Wallet. Ethereum peg means that Ethereum exists on BEP20, that's on Binance Smart Chain network. That's the only way you can convert it to BNB on Trust Wallet. Let's say you send Ethereum from one wallet, let's say from your Binance account to your Trust Wallet on a BSC BEP20 network. That Ethereum will exist in your Trust Wallet as a Ethereum peg. It will not exist as Ethereum ERC. Ethereum ERC means that you are sending on ERC network. You can convert it to any coin that is on ERC. ERC, all these things operate on network, and then I believe I've talked about network before. All these things operate on what we call network, and the moment you send a coin network and then you wish to convert it on another network, it becomes difficult. It becomes practically impossible. Okay, so if your Ethereum is an Ethereum peg, all right, you can practically convert it to BNB, to Binance Smart Chain BNB, on using PancakeSwap. And you already know how to use PancakeSwap because I made a video on that. So if you don't know how to use PancakeSwap and you're on this channel, it means you don't watch most of my videos. You allow other people watch and then teach you what to do. All right. Now, the way you can convert your Ethereum to BNB, the only way you can do that to BNB is on Trust Wallet is the first way is if the Trust Wallet if your Trust Wallet is on Binance Smart Chain, all right. Now you can convert it an Ethereum peg to BNB Smart Chain using PancakeSwap. But if your Trust Wallet, your Ethereum is on Trust Wallet as an ERC Ethereum, then you can use you can convert it to BNB ERC BNB. All right, that is the main BNB. That's BNB ERC on the same Trust wallet using Uniswap. All right. Then, but the best way that I recommend for anybody to, in order not to have any trouble, any conversion issue to convert on Trust Wallet is if you have a Binance account, which I assume everyone should have now, and you want to convert your Ethereum to BNB, it's just as simple as ABC. Send your coin to Binance, send your coins, let's say if it's an Ethereum peg, send your Ethereum peg to Binance on BEP20 address. When it arrives on Binance, it arrives, you can convert to whichever thing you want to convert it to using the market option where you directly use a sell, and I've made a video on that too. All right. Then if your Ethereum is existing as ERC Ethereum in either Trust Wallet or even MetaMask, still send it to Binance and ERC and then convert it to BNB there. And then you can send the BNB on any network to wherever you want to send it to. And it's just as simple as that. Nothing much, nothing more, nothing less. All right. If there's anything that you have to do with that Ethereum, with that BNB that you converted to, you can do it on Binance. You can send it to Trust Wallet and then do it on Trust Wallet. Okay. So you use to all the simple instructions, so you won't stand the chance of losing your money or losing your coin in whatever way or the other. So the same thing applies when you want to convert BNB to Ethereum. The same thing applies when you have binance-peg Ethereum, all right, and you want to to make a tweet.
Now let's
take
a great look at this. Open your Trust Wallet now. This is a Trust Wallet here. And look at the Ethereum at the top right there. That's an ERC Ethereum. That's Ethereum that is on ERC. That's the main Ethereum, not Ethereum peg. All right. So now you can see an Ethereum peg. How you know a real Ethereum? Look at the, if you see by the left corner, by the left hand side, you will see it written there, coin. All right. If it is an Ethereum peg, what you will see there is a different thing. Now let's activate an Ethereum peg when your coin exists as Ethereum peg. Now just have to search peg right here now, and then activate it on the Trust Wallet. Now you see it is written Binance peg Ethereum. Now you see the differences. Now they are both Ethereum, but they are not on the same network. All right. You can see this one here. You can see BEP20 at the top left corner, top left hand corner of the screen. All right. So that's an Ethereum peg. Now this coin cannot do the same thing. Why you can use this Ethereum peg to convert to whatever coin to BNB on Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap and paying Binance Smart Chain BNB as network fee. The other one, in the other hand, can only be used to convert on an ERC network using Uniswap, and use the BNB will change to, you can see this one, this is the real BNB on ERC network. The other BNB Smart Chain is on BEP20 network. So now you see the differences now. Now this is how you operate them. If you don't operate them this way, this one is showing coin right there. It's on Smart Chain, it's showing coin right there because they are all on the same chain. All right, they are all BNB. All right. So you can, but the logo, you can see the differences in logo. You can see the first BNB logo and you can see BNB Smart Chain logo. They are all different. All right. So if you can operate, if you understand this simple thing, you can always make any transaction. Now what you need to do, go to Binance, click on deposit and send them to Binance on their respective network. If you have the main Ethereum that is on ERC network, send it on ERC network to Binance. If you have it on BEP20 as Ethereum peg, send it to Binance as Ethereum peg on BEP20 network. Now once you've sent it to Binance, now they exist in whatever form you want. You can send it on whichever form you want to any place you want to send it to. Here you can now convert it to BNB in whatever way you want to do by just clicking on the market option, just as I've done, and then searching BNB/Ethereum or Ethereum/BNB. You can see the first there. You can see the first thing there, Ethereum/BNB. And once you do that, click on it and click on either sell Ethereum to BNB or buy BNB with the Ethereum that you have. All right. So here now I can, since it's BNB/Ethereum, Okay, I can say buy because I have it as a theorem. I can click on buy and then change the market that option from limit to market because I want it instantly. And once I click the percentage I want to buy, and once I click instant buy, it will instantly buy the BNB. So I hope you understand all these simple terminologies.
And when you're able to do this successfully, you have been able to just find your way around this whole thing and not lose money. All right. Now, this whole video that I'm making now is just to help you guys not to lose a whole lot of money. All right. So I hope you understand this. Now, if you have done this successfully, please, the only thing you owe me now is just to subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell button so that whenever I upload videos, you'll be the first to see and then be able to take action or learn whatever I do in that video. And then another thing that you have to do is always comment in the comment section and not allow all these bot, I don't know, bot or scam bot to always comment. You know, whenever a video is uploaded, not just my channel, every other channel that uploads video on cryptocurrency, you see somebody saying, I see a lot of comments saying, follow this. A lot of those scam busters, follow this person on Instagram and follow this person on this platform. All those things end rate, man. Please do not subscribe to that. If you watch my video and you love my video, give me some rate comments. I really do appreciate them. And I'm bound to give you quality content that will help you improve more in your life, in whatever you do. So please subscribe. All right. Now stay tuned for the next videos. And I intend. I was looking at creating a peg for this channel, like peg, super peg for some people that I have some great fan. Like I really love and appreciate them. So I want to make a great peg and then like identify them on at the comment section so that they can just join and sometime maybe make them some customized videos. Uh, Will it be nice? If it be nice, please just give me in the comment section. Give me like comment like okay, it will be nice. All right, so that I'll do them. All right. So thank you for watching.